So, hello. Welcome to another live stream. Hi. I just found out about the Apple Vision Pro. I love Sam Time channel. He shows latest news with a bit of a sarcastic view. Show you a part which I like.
Have stopped making the Apple Vision Pro.
What?
That's right. Even after making hundreds of thousands of sales in the first weeks, it turns out that most of those were just YouTubers who are so out of touch, they buy these things just to destroy
Wait, I like this part.
You know, a courage and pushed forward with their crazy idea. Because as you know, a visionary needs a vision. And because our leader Tim Cook has no vision, well, he had to build one. Sadly though, despite having 12 high-definition cameras, the Apple Vision could not cure Tim's short-sightedness. And thus...
Oh well. It was after all a good product. Just doing that. And too heavy, man. I have one at the office and I never used it again since like 2 or 3 months or more. Bit of a shame. But we at the moment you also don't have a project on it, so I actually plan to do something on it, but then there was another employee that left and I had to take over his parts, and so that was a bit of a bummer. But yeah. Okay, welcome back to another live stream. Kinda tired today. Just always Monday, I'm in the office the whole day. Today was 10 hours, yeah, it was 10 hours, and now we still do some coding. Actually, I didn't do some coding today, it was more management stuff, boring management stuff, but yep, gotta do this stuff as well. Let's quickly check what we did last time. A week ago. A week ago we did, we had a really interesting session. Let me check in the stream chat. We had it was more like a learning session for me. What was his name? I wrote in updates. I cannot show it because of streamer mode, but he pointed out that we should try iPointer click handler for this canvas here. Oh, the music is too loud. Just for me. So before how I did it, I had a collider here on the canvas or on the sign, and then over the collider I would do collider recognition, like we still have a collider on the collider here. You have a collider and then you have a collider script. Actually today I want to switch to Visual Studio because Visual Studio Code is insane, uncomfortable to program. Then you have an on trigger enter or on trigger exit, and here we handle the whole thing. But for the touch, it's a bit more complicated. It's not just this. You have to, yeah, stuff. Can actually see it in here. Never for a community here. Here is, or was it here? Simple color toggle. I'll add that later. Oh yeah, so how you do a touch recognition or click recognition with Collider, you get the raycast. So raycast from the touch or raycast from the click, like in the editor, and then you check the collider of the raycast, and yeah, so that's quite ugly if you do it for a canvas, because the canvas is a UI interface. So thanks a lot again for this user who pointed me this out. So right now, how we solved it, I solved it with like a compiler condition. So if we are in Unity editor, then we do handle click interaction. Why is it handle click and handle interaction? There should be the same. Handle click. Those should both be handle click and not handle interaction. Or did I fix it later? Ah, yeah. So that was. Maybe I solved this on the MacBook. Why is it not update here? Weird. Okay, wait, let's pull. I'm gonna ignore that. Delete. Take incoming, take current, take current, take current. Okay. Timeline. Disregard. Okay. So, okay, now we're up to date. Let's check again. Okay, so let's check. Here. Oh yeah, so that's how we solved it then, or how I solved it in the end. I have if edit Unity editor, just like if we are inside the editor, only compile this, and everything else, if we are on mobile, we compile this. So this was very useful in this situation because yeah, so I used the partial class. If you look at it here, so the partial class, this first part is like the main, where we have the points of interest, we have the other properties, and then we have public partial class, points of interest sign, and there we have mono behavior and iPointer class. Maybe we could also leave this away because we already have it here. But yeah. So here then we have the iPointer click handler, and this is for Unity editor. And here we have the iPointer down handler. Here we have the for mobile. And then we have the on pointer down. Because if you do this, if you compile this on Unity editor, you will get a runtime exception. Or if you other way around, you not compile this on the mobile app. At least that's what happened. And so in the end, this was quite good. Quite happy with the result. I'm very happy with the result because it's much cleaner, because we're on the canvas and then we do canvas handlers, and I didn't know about this before. It was not so easy to get to this result, I have to be honest. If you watch previous stream, then you'll find out, because a couple of issues, but right now it's works very well. I tested it on the iPhone. I did a what's it called, iOS build last week, and it worked well, and it was running more smooth than the Nokia 8, much more, or was running very smooth. The I have one just turned off. Guess I have no battery anymore. I forgot to plug it in overnight. Okay. Plug it in. Okay. But I'm surprised I had the whole day until now. I had battery. And today in the morning was like 50%, so not bad. 50% for one day. Okay. So that's what we did last week. And what I want, yeah, that's the logo. I had like this idea of a pizza with a navigation that's like a I let generative fill of Photoshop do the job. Maybe later we can create a more sophisticated icon. So check if there's someone in the stream. There current viewers. There might be one person in the stream. Let me know if you want anything to see or focus on. What I wanted to look at is explain the points of interest list, the path calculation, and then add information UI with settings toggle, load an fmash, then implement the off-screen target, and then we'll look a bit at the roadmap maybe. I pwned a bit out. I already put some parts here. Just today I thought about this mini map. Nico, great job providing in-depth tutorial. Is your current map generated from Vuforia capture app? Yes. Yes, this was created with the lecture app. On the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I scanned my apartment once with the Matterport Pro 3. I could upload it as well and compare it. But actually, yeah, I could if I still find it. Ah, no, I cannot. Oh, I could, but I have to pay $80 for the 3D data, so I'll not do that. But I can use maybe a 3D scan at the high school where I work, because there we scanned it once with Pro 3 and with and I can do a scanning of the by the iPhone. But yeah, this was done with the camera. Yeah, there is also an API, capture API, which is pretty cool. I did a video on this once, a really short one, not a really video, just a screen capture API. So they can, in-app, you can create a map and use it right away. Pretty cool. But for area targets, I mean, the price is really high, so this is only like for well-established companies, not for startups or mild fishes like me. So yeah. So let's look at yeah, what I also want to do is a mini map, which should not be big of a deal. I will maybe just use a top-down view of this. I'll use a top-down view, maybe create a screenshot and draw on top of it, so we have a small outline. And then we have like the coordinates. We need to calculate them somehow with the camera, and then we show the current position with a small like small thing. Thank you for information. Does the localization accuracy changes with Matterport generate maps and photo capture apps? Good question. I haven't tested it. I haven't tested on like a scientific approach. That would definitely be necessary to give a correct answer to this. In our bachelor thesis, we did both. We had both scenarios. In one of the area targets, we had scanned with the capture app, and we're in one with Matterport 2. Matterport 3 did not exist then, but I thought the mobile app was a bit weaker, or from the capture app was a bit weaker, but we didn't do any testing like specific. Even I don't know how do you calculate, or like I would not know how to verify the accuracy. Maybe the drift, calculate the drift, or calculate the speed. I mean, yeah, it's like different aspects you could look at. Yeah. How do you measure the accuracy? How would you measure the accuracy of a point cloud? And maybe I can write this to here. Would be actually a good point also to cover at some point. Measure accuracy of localization. We can have capture API. I mean, you can also do the capture API with different not capture API, different phones. Like, is the LiDAR phone iPhone 15, 13 better than we scanned it in 2020? We scanned it with iPad Pro with LiDAR. That was like the first Apple device, I think, that LiDAR sensors was the iPad, and we did it with that. So that was very long ago. I mean, tech evolved a lot then, but yeah. So that would be interesting to compare different devices, different yeah. Measure accuracy of localization capture app versus Matterport. I mean, there's also Navis. I don't have a Navis scanner. I know in Netherlands there's a company that have one. We could try to get it when he visits us. I think drift distance of content after successful could be good benchmarks to measure. Well, the thing is with Vuforia is that it gets readjusted all the time, which is the idea of the point cloud. But yeah, we could look at the drift every time it drifts away, and how often it occurs maybe, and how, in what amounts or what time. Measure accuracy of localization, captures Navis versus Leica. I mean, this will all be interesting to compare. I could write those companies and ask, hey guys, I'm doing a YouTube, I'm running a YouTube channel about this stuff. If you want to have a shout out on your product, lend me one of your cameras. I doubt they will answer, but it's worth a try. I had to get and on a device. Capture. And then we can do like an in-depth comparison. That would be cool. Measure accuracy of localization. I think drift distance of content, yeah. Measure drift distance. I don't know if you get this information from Vuforia. That'd be really cool, actually. Because everything in Vuforia is a bit of a black box. I mean, we have some sort of information about the state. Maybe both smooth and large fast jumps between the track or track for both jumps are sometimes seen in situations where an extended track target has drifted and back to the air with its tactic. Yeah. So there's like a target status that we can find out, and yeah, I mean that's for another stream, another time. I'll have to figure out first how to calculate the drift, measure the drift distance, or observe target status, and localization speed. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna explain a bit the UI in Unity and the path calculation. Let's do that first. Now the UI, I did it in a bit of a rush, not in last stream, but in 2 streams before. Because there was one guy in the Discord, he needed that urgently to show to one of his professors. So let's have a look a bit more closely. So we have a canvas. Make sure it has screen space overlay, and then we have the there's already settings UI. I'm gonna look at maybe later today. We have a session recorder overlay. This is for recording an AR session. Oh, this is like I think it's a prefab from go here game objects. No, yeah, game objects for engine session recorder. It contains the stuff of session recorder behavior. So yeah, then this whole thing is added. Oh yeah, that's the overlay canvas. I'm gonna explain this later in another stream. I think I have this session recorder. Yeah, you can like record AR session, and then you don't have to be on site for the testing. So this is something your client can do. For example, your client can record a session on site, and user developer can debug in the scene with this video, which is very cool. So let's look at the navigation UI. First, we have the please scan overlay. This is like shown when there's no distance and there's no point cloud tracked yet. And then we have deactivate this for a second, or not here. Maybe we get used to do it here, because otherwise we forget to enable it again. So here we have actually this I need to adjust, searching for lower, because we don't set this. Do we set this label? I think because it didn't work last time. I think you need to set it in the air state controller. Yeah, let me quickly switch to not build settings, to Visual Studio Code. Preferences here. Because when I was on the Mac, I used Visual Studio Code and it was much smoother experience. This general. Here. Boom. Need to restart Unity for this. Let's see. Here's state controller. The script. Yeah, much nicer. It's faster, so that's good. Yeah, so here is the stuff for the information. We have to implement yet. Tracked air target name. Ah, it's this one. Where's that? Tracked air target name. Wait. What's the name of the area that's currently being tracked? Wait, is this the same? We had this last time. Oh, to what is this set? It's private, okay. Ah, this is just internally. Okay. And this. Tracked air target name. Ah, text name. Well, what's the difference? Response name. Maybe this came to it later. Maybe that's not the same. Do this anyways. Okay, so we have the floor label, the floor text. Yeah, so in my previous app, this was used if you're like multiple floors, then here you show we're searching for your position here, then there will be like first floor, second floor. But here we still would be nice if we see the name of the arrow target. So the name of this one here is, what does it take? The name of this or Josh underline home? I think it's air target Josh home probably. See. If we disable this. It's not enabled. Set your position here. Because you only have one. Let's just get rid of this. Doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense in this this use case. One thing less to worry about, so good. Somewhere else. Here. Where's our Kraken? Here. Why did this change again? Why did this just update? Oh, maybe because we changed from... Oh, Visual Studio Code. Okay. Why did this update? That's just Unity magic. Okay. Oh. Moved shame. .27. Okay, yes. But we are still on 26, I think. What's new in 27? I think they only updated the... Oh, I closed it. Oh, we can just go here. I think they just updated them. The target, flashlight support. Is now supported for Android devices. Yeah, at some point we'll update it. Maybe not today. But yeah. So some random stuff while code. Maybe it's because of that. I mean, you don't have to switch, I think. Just do that should be here, but maybe that costs some scripts to refresh something. Oh yeah. This. How do you record? There's a question from Nikhil. How do you record a AR session video that is used for debugging in-app? Is there a separate app to record? No, I was trying to explain. You do it in the app. Essentially, I think it's just recording a video. A video. Oh, it just records the video stream, and then you can import it in. Like if you look at it. Dialog window. Are you sure you want to delete all existing recordings? Share dialog. Oh, where is the info pop up? Is it here? Oh, I think that's the buttons. So this is the whole. Yes, no, but where's the recording button? Recording saved path. Oh, where's the recording button? I used it before. Let me quickly delete it. Boom. And then we do. Wait. Over here. What was it? Vuforia engine, session recorder. Where did it get added? It only contains your session recorder behavior. I just deleted it. Oh, maybe it's inside here. Where session behavior? Where is it? Ah, here. Recording buttons. Where? Session recorder. Main canvas, UI canvas, session recorder, save area. Oh, inside the save area. Oh, okay. Here it is. All graphics. Here you go. Nope. This will pop up show some stuff. Good question, man. There is a... No, you do it in the app. There's a session recorder. I showed it already last time. Take a look. Wait, but I deleted that. No? I'll quickly revert it. As far as I remember, there's a record button. But this is just the overlay. That's okay. Then we have the save our session recorder. That two behaviors. Session recorder overlay canvas and session recorder behavior. Okay. Aha, that has an overlay and then clean button. No clean button. But how to enable it? Remember. On stop recording, on start recording. I mean, it's there. The device with camera that captures footage of one of these are supported. Okay, set up camera as object. Recordings in iTunes. Yeah, essentially there should be a maybe it didn't get copied over. Because I only imported this whole I imported the whole project from another project, or this canvas. Back, add one here again. Vuforia engine session recorder. Ah, so here's the overlay canvas, and maybe I moved it out because of the save area, so it doesn't get smaller. Handle buttons, yes, no. Toolbar recording buttons. Ah, yeah, here's the recording buttons. Where is it? Oops. Where is it? Settings. Wow. Wow, but there's no UI. Ah. Yeah, there's something weird going on. Core icon. I mean, that's here. An icon. Project. The sprite. Why is it not showing? Weird. And why is it so big? Like, why is it up here? Session recorder. Overlay. Oh. Okay. No, it does have to. Where is it now? In the middle. Oh, we are in play mode. Okay, maybe that's why. Session recorder, but yeah, it's definitely missing here. So this session recorder is outdated, I would say. Boom. Refab, no, for session recorder. Then here, instead of this overlay, gonna use this overlay here. Missing game watch a clean button, which is the clean button. Which is the clean button? Toolbar session recorder. Oh, yeah, here. I put it into the settings. Oh, now I see. Okay. Dev settings parent. Okay. Okay, I hid it a bit. Okay. That's why. Okay, all good. So yeah, you can record it in the app. Final answer. I mean, yeah, that's what I answered before, but yeah. I put the recording buttons here. I could have just searched for record. Okay, but we're gonna take a look at this later. So let's look at the rest of the UI. We have the save area. The save area is a script that I imported from a package. I imported from a package. Eventually it's from a package. Let's see. Or did I import it directly from the web? I don't remember. But essentially the save area target, the save area is for reducing the view if there's a notch. Yeah, save area helper. If you're in asset store, I can post the link. If you need okay. Okay, then what else do we have? We have the save area, okay. And the please scan overlay we can deactivate. So then we have the localization state, which is set in the AR state manager or a controller, AR state controller. And then we have here the bottom UI. And here I have two backgrounds, one with one with progress and one without progress. This one is just a bit higher. We have a quick fix. I'm sure you can do this with height or something. But yeah, right now it's just flipping between those. And then we have the buttons. Here we have the stop button. No, let's get to this later. Let's see if we can see the stop button. Yeah, this is like shown when you're currently navigating. And then we have a settings button to open the settings menu. Then we have this box here. This is a progress slider, which is showing the remaining distance. But in a second. And then we have the button to open this destination select. And here we have a search bar, search input. We have a text here on top. We have a close button there, yeah. And the search bar is a input search. Yeah, I think this is just a UI input field. Where's the input field? /pro info field here. And then we have this destination list, and this is this part here. And this is a scroll view with a viewport, a content, and a spawn point. And then inside, I have here a script. Ah, it's a bummer I didn't reference about it. I also got this from a tutorial. And so here we have a render list. And this render list gets items. And then sort them by comparing the title. So it's sorted alphabetically. And then first I destroy the previous ones. And then I count, and then I loop over yeah, I just loop over it. So I can wait. Why do I do here the count? Just do items by count here now. But yeah, so then we loop over it, and then I spawn the prefabs. In the end, we spawn prefabs here. Those prefabs are here somewhere. Prefab list item. And this is essentially just one entry of in the list. So we have the button in the end. This one. No, this whole thing is a button, so you can click on it. We have the title, we have the distance, and we have the error label to make all area clickable. Yeah, that's like a quick fix to make the button work. And then we have the line, which is shown above, so there's a separation. And then we have go button, we have the, what is this? Button border. Why is this like, yeah, don't know. Text. Yeah, so this is the prefab, and this is spawned. This is spawned here. Spawned here, like under each other. And because we have a size here, so if you look at this, this is height 80. And so here in the script, we need to tell height of the prefab, and the height of the prefab is here set to where? We set it in the UI. Look. Where's the list? 80. Set it here. Maybe you could read it out from the prefab somehow. In HTML that would be like view height, but I have no idea. So just fix. Then I have here pointer, so I know where, like on the first one is 0, and then the next one is 1 times 80, so it's like 80 in the Y position is 80 down, and then so the X always stays the same, and the Y is subtracted, so it's going down, and the position Z also stays the same. And here we spawn it, we save it, then we set it to a parent of the spawn, to spawn point, and set time for reference, and then we in the item we set the data object, so it knows to which data it has to be connected. Data field. Yep. And that's it actually, basically. So that's the whole rendering. Takes a while to set it up, but create a dynamic list. It's quite cool. And so yeah, that's just dynamic list. Then we have the user notification, which is like a simple background with text. Yeah, and then we have this. This whole behavior. Notification parent has his own controller, and here in controllers Builds, here, notification controller, which you can call from anywhere. An instance, so you can just call show time notification, and you can just say, it always takes the same time, I think. Notification timer, I think 4 seconds. Wait for 1 second, yeah, so it's 4 seconds. And then it fades out, stops the routine. And with the quit notification, I think you can... Won't always start coroutine fade in. This quit notification set active. Okay. Let me see what's the difference. Notification. It's a different one. Beenden erneut drücken. Okay. There's something missing. Private circle. Nope. I don't know. I need to check. But yeah, so this is this notification, and then for the whole navigation UI, we have the navigation UI controller. So we set all the variables, and then yeah. So this is basically the whole UI. Any question about it, let me know in the comments. And let's see, then we have the path estimation utils. This is the show knife mesh. With the path estimation utils, this is how we calculated the remaining distance. Show it in case you have never seen it before. So we are correct. We also need to disable this at some point. But yeah, so when you go to the, then it says like 6 meters remaining, less than 1 minute, and then when I'm walking away, that's a bit of a weird effect. Maybe need to fix this as well. But yeah, you see that get closer and closer. That's also still bugged. It go away. But yeah, so how we calculate this distance is quite simple. Update estimation. Here we have the path. Oh, we get the path from the agent, and then it has a certain length. And only if it's bigger than 1, it makes sense to calculate it. And then remaining path total is set to 0. And then we actually loop through the corners. I mean, I showed in previous stream how we played these corners. There's a setting now, or toggle. Enable this again if you check on the scene view. Then it should. There's our air target. Yeah. So we see the. Let's disable. Click on this. Wait, why can I? That's this one. Yeah, much better. So right now here, is on the nav controller? No. Visualizer? Here, short corners toggle. Oh wait, why isn't that working? Oh, what the heck? The target now, that should not. Oh man. It should draw. It should spawn collider prefabs on these corners. I mean, we don't see it anywhere here, so they're not spawned. Why? Beauty of programming. Heck. Path visualizer. Did we update this one? No. What was the test? No. Basic destination, select the navigation UI. Ah, here, toggle for path corners. Okay, here we did the whole toggle. Let's change, set corner visibility to true, otherwise to false. Okay. I mean, there was quite a bit of thinking. There was a whole stream, I think. Heck. There are less corners, there are more corners. And what do we call this? If it is enabled, we do it. If it's not, we don't do anything. Okay. Yeah, we changed the visibility once, and then we enable, we handle this all the time, right? So let's see what is written in the console. Yes, it's always good to test features again later some point. Issues like this. Why is it taking? Okay, we are back. And we select the destination. What? Why? Why is it working now? Oh, that's funny. There's the here. We haven't tested that one. Let's see. Ah, the line is here. Oh, it's updated. Good. Oh, if I stop it, they're still there. That's not good. This should do some cleanup. Question is it still coming to this method? Draw path. Probably not doing the drawing path anymore. So it cannot set the visibility to false. If show corners, I mean, it's still on, but the draw path is not called anymore. I mean, the draw path is called where? Here. So if this is not set anymore, then we don't draw the path anymore. So and we handle it here, the line labeled false, so here we should also set corner visibility false. right? So as soon as we disable it, yeah, we set it to false. And then, yeah, we don't worry about the creation because it's going on the next one. But why it didn't work in the first place, we don't know. Another one. Works now. Okay. So essentially what we do in the path estimation utils is we do the vector 3 distance from one path corner to the next one, as long as there is one that there's additionally. So if there's an additional one, we calculate this distance and we add it up. That plus equal, and we do this in the for loop, and then we have the remaining distance. And for the estimated arrival distance, we just take the default velocity 0.45. Subtract, since it will be slower, meters per second, because this is meters. And then we have the estimation duration, and yep, that's it. That's the estimation utils. And then he would just update it while walking. Let's see if it's there. Yeah, and so these spheres, they get deleted while I walk there. This I wanted to add just for, yeah, it was fun to add them. Have a bit better understanding. What I also want to work on is, unfortunately, there's no an FMesh system. There's no cornering or optimized cornering like in A-Star project. When I did a bit of research on this, I saw that there's a function or a feature that you can like tell the line to not go the fastest way, but to go like in the middle. Or to take the, I don't know the name of the feature, but it was called something like center path. We could do a quick fix. A quick fix we could do with or a dirty fix. It's a dirty. I'm gonna show you why. What we can do is we can add. So actually, that's what we did in the our test bachelor thesis. What we did, we had this. No, we didn't use cubes. It's just to use. Do a sphere, cylinder, a sphere, and then you add an FMesh collider, I think. No, obstacle. There's a carve. Where did it go? Boom. And then you can kind of... but it's still carving out... Not carving out the shape. It's still carving out like a square. A bit ugly. Just wants to carve the... maybe if you take the... in there. See how that one's carving. Here we can change it. Capsule. Okay. I see. Here, change it to capsule. That's a bit more Shape, radius, height, RF, move threshold, time to stationary, RF only stationary. Yeah, so here we would place it a bit like this. It doesn't go so sharp around the corner of the line. So we do it like this. Here. This. Boom. Yeah. Kinda buggy. Not a buggy, but that really beautiful. You know what I mean? Yeah, right now it prefers the other side. If you go here, yeah, I mean on the line it would show a bit. I mean, obviously those would be gone. Those mesh renderers, where are they? Here. Yeah, that's what you would expect from a navigation. In the navigation tool. Take the path that is like logically you don't want to walk like here. So yeah, that's kind of a quick fix for it. But I hope to find some calculations that I could do corners at some point to avoid this kind of hustle, I would say. Yeah. Okay, so that's the path estimation utils. And then what else was planned? Debug information UI with settings toggle. Then maybe, yeah, maybe we still have time for those two. So let's look at this. So we have this. Disable this for a second. I want to see if this shows up. I'm gonna have to scan overlay. Boom. Yeah, destination select is coming up by itself. Best. It's deactivated in the beginning anyways. So we just let it unselect it and then something appear when I click on settings already. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's do the settings then. Settings button. Then we have the settings UI. Here, this should also be round. Things plus circle, yep. And then we have the close button that probably should be an X. Boom. And then which UI is this? But it was also the navigation web controller. Run a view control. Settings button. Close. Button. Navigation UI elements. Show settings. Here. Show settings. Okay. Settings UI sector is visible. So here we click on the settings button, we enabled it, and then here on the click, let it go. We have the navigation UI controller, boom, then settings, show settings, and false. And then here, I think I had some toggle package. Or did we create it ourselves? Don't remember. Missing prefab, yeah. Oof. We still have this one. I need to update it though. This one, boom. Then we're gonna close this one because last time my OBS crashed. Let's quickly change. So there was a plan project I worked on for a bigger train station. Yeah, it's funny how big the UI is compared to the... By the big site. It's actually two buildings. Siemens and the Arnhem station. Okay. I was to look at the toggle. What did toggle? That? That was creepy when you're on the PC and someone sounds like someone is walking. Here are the toggles. Where's this from? Where is this from? Where is this from? Toggle button. I think I imported this. Simple toggle button. Oh, it's maybe just a... Oh, well, maybe I also got this from there. There's interesting my assets. Simple toggle button. Well, can I see all of them, please? Yeah. 22 of 2039. Load all. Yeah. Simple toggle button. Okay, here it is. Okay. Don't save. Boom. Open this back up. And I gotta drink something. Have a good drink. My wife is watching. Okay, so Check. We need to import this toggle. Toggle assets. I'm also gonna post the link in the stream chat. Load all. Let's see. Simple toggle set. No, let's take this one. Download. I'm only watching a few seconds, don't worry. Okay, imported it, and then it should be somewhere here. Oh wait, I wanted to go the link. That for import. Boom. See if that works right away. Nope. Upload while on the game. Removing it. Alright. Oh, here's. Oh, let's quickly. And then here in the here we're gonna what we did before. We fixed height, corners, right. Oops, not this. Height, corners after when navigation ended. Okay. And then okay, what it now? Now we should set them. Log. Sprite resources. Double button. Here's the prefab. Just add it. What the heck? Why is it? Why is it not round? Let's see it in the demo scene. Okay. Where? Oh, but I only have this one. Toggle button. Okay. Then I have the texture, round texture. Okay. Or can we set it up here? Oh wait. If we add it here, then it's the right taking the round one. None. lever background image. Interesting. No, I don't want to save this actually. Demo. Why do you have a square? Ah, wait. Ah, that's 1 hour. There we go. Wait. This is which one now? Wait, what? Spot. I'm just gonna do this one. Okay. Why do I have two? I have the small one and I have a super big one. This is just a This is just a 3D icon or what? Wait, actually. Ah, here you go. No. Is there someone a toggle? Simple toggle? Simple. Oh, here, toggle button. Okay. Interesting. Uh-huh. No, it doesn't work anymore. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Just looking at this. Beautiful. Blue. Okay, but now why is it not showing this? Uh-huh. Nice. 30. 25. 30. References. Background image. Simple. Uh-huh. Up. Oh man. Why is it not working out of the box, man? I don't need this one. I only use elevators only. Demo lines. What we wanted to have is, well, how do we enable the dev settings anyways? Good question. Projects. No, not this one. This one. Because I deleted it. Gain some disk space. How did I do the app version thing? I think clicking on the app version, it opened the dev settings. I think it should be some sort of small helper. Controller, startup controller. No, I don't think so. Helper. Lock to camera, nav match agent, inclusion helper, open dev settings. Settings parent, click threshold, version collect. But how is the version set? Dev settings parent set active, okay. Information units show nav mesh, turn to camera. But how is the version set? I don't remember how we set the version. I mean, probably it's just a script where you can get. Let's see. UI, boom, boom. Yeah, so here's open dev map settings, but then how? Who changes this? This is the equation. App version text. Can I search this? I don't know who references this. Is this someone? Can find out. How can I find references in editor? Be cool. Find references scene. Ooh, state controller. State controller. Why is the state controller doing this? Doesn't make sense. Okay. not console. Okay. Too simple. Okay. And then we have the OpenDev map. Okay, so then we open the settings. Well, because we're all devs, we just do it. Just do it right there without clicking on the version. So what, I'm not gonna do it in the stage control. Oops. Ah, we already have the air. Okay. Get rid of this. It's over into the nav UI. Why does it have to be public? Ah, so we can set it. Boom, boom. Yeah, nothing to do with the air state. Oh, awake or start. Boom. And then here. Check it out. Yeah, the current version. Okay. Then I have the this one I can delete. Settings, F settings, parent. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it down here. And we have the toggles and here we also have the missing up. Man, why is this not just working? I go back here. More scene. Enemy. Why? M1. I wanna have this. Why is it not working? we're not in game mode. There you go. All around. Oh, which one is nicer? This one? I like this too. Which one is nicer? No one to answer. There's one viewer. I can't decide. I think I have used this one before. I'm gonna use that one with this one. Let's see. Make it small. That's the best way to make it. Yes? No. I don't have a manual occlusion. So, I don't have this background. Toggle for occlusion. And here we're gonna do that. Toggle. Hash. This we're still gonna do today. Manual occlusion we're gonna disable because I don't think we're gonna need it. Is it working? So per default this is off as well. Well, at the moment it's on, but will deactivate it. So when we start, we want to see this disabled. Yep. Close it. Nothing happening yet. One animation. Now do. Yeah, this is from Vuforia. Yeah, so show agent. Probably there's a. Either we do it here or in the nav. No, in the air nav control, either here. Here we have the agent. Ah, okay. I just did them up because never saw that available. Okay. Here we could set the public agent visibility. And then we get the, the nav message is here, and here we have a mesh render. Let's simply delete it. Yeah, and disable it. Let's try to just do it like this. Agent get component mesh render is invisible. Public void. And so here in the toggle, hope the toggle script has that. On click. On click. Let's just change them. Back. So, how can I? Attack the pool. Yeah. Would be cool to have reactive, like a automatic toggle. Here we just It's always setting it to false. Know what I mean? How can I pass? How can I pass the toggle? Oh, we just toggle it by ourselves here. We just call it toggle agent visibility. This. And then I'm gonna set the toggle and the button. Agent visibility toggle. If the mesh on is on or not, it's gonna this the problem. Read only. Oh, that toggle state. You then have to do it manually every time. See if that works. So even though we would set it here to on, like this, and then oh no, set it to off, but because it's on in the inner scene, it should turn on. Oh, yeah, doesn't. Why? On. Oh no, this is just an error because of the missing script. Nope. Yes, apparently it is there. Ah, there's an error. Ah, of course we need to set that toggle. It. This one is it. Toggle agent. What? What is this between? Yeah, but the toggle works. That's good. But that's weird. Where do we do it? Set. Changes the state of the button without calling any events. Okay, it's on. Yes. Anyways, let's not do that. Disable it. Doing the conditions for stuff. So let's just do it this. Disable this in. Do this per default. Boom. And then not here. Toggle it here. Boom. Okay. What's that? Ah, that's just part of the target. Okay. So now we still want to have the NF mesh. Toggle the NF mesh. Why is this? Ah, this we created. Prefab for around toggle. That's just if you want to test where's reagent, it can be very useful. No, not pull, push. Okay, now NF mesh agent for the NF mesh visibility. I have found the script. Do I? No, utils. Now NF mesh. This is a script that I found here. And then this is doing some magic. Gets the NF mesh triangulation of this function. Then it basically is creating a mesh for this. And then assigning mesh filters. So, and then this has visible true, false by itself. How do I set this? Ah, just by toggle visibility. Ah, so we can just toggle this the same way. NF mesh. Add a click. Blah blah blah. Where was it? Show NF mesh. NF mesh toggle visibility. Boom. Works. The orange. See what color is it? Should have. Okay. What orange is this? Ah, sorry, this one. Good. Let's see if it works. No, not this one. Boom. Oh. There's no mesh filter attached to the NF mesh. Mesh filter. Okay. NF mesh agent. It's the same. Aha. Ah, not here. Here. Did I have here? Cube? A cube. Sphere? There we go. There's our NF mesh. And so in real life, when you're gonna run your app, that's a very cool way to kind of show how well is your thing locating. Didn't I bake it? check. Wait as. Ah. Well, it doesn't matter if you go back to the target. I thought I got rid of this part up here. If you go. Nav mesh surface. Nope. Ah, okay. I think I was playing around with it. Yeah, so don't want to have an F mesh up here on the couch. Mm. Why can it not walk here? Come on, seriously. No, not logic. Yeah, here we have a fix. Yeah, kinda buggy, but it still can go through. Height. Well, does it change something? I don't think so. Here still apart. Well, I guess that works. Oh, that's better. Okay. But I don't like the orange actually. It's also the line is orange, so we have that's not cool. Just doing that. So here's our agent. What the heck? Doesn't like our knife mesh anymore. Walkable, yeah. Ah, maybe the point is not reachable anymore. And what is this doing here? Remove that. Oh, we need the mesh filter. But we don't need an F mesh because this is generated. What? Okay, so this is the filtered. Yeah, so this is the F mesh. Drawn F mesh. This orange color. Oh, it doesn't matter right now. Why is this? I mean, yeah, we have this mesh filter. But why is it like to a square? Ah, no, this is probably baked from the. Let's see. Rebake. Mesh bake. Boom, it's gone. I was from the cube. Okay, so then let's change here. Probably, yeah. So let's change this to green. Here. It's green. Have an emission. RGB. Wait, seriously? 55, 173. 54. Looks. No mesh filter attached. What? Uh-huh. There we go. Yeah, like this. Like that. At least you see it well. I mean, it's for debugging only, right? Why is it not calculating the office 0 table 0? What the heck? Oh, because of rebaking, we broke it. Wait, we have the agent slope, agent climb. Can it not walk this anymore? That? Agent, where's the agent? Agent. Ah, the height is 2 meters. He will never be able to walk. That maybe 0.1. Do we have 0.4? Why not? Obstacle avoidance. Region is there, right? Aha, that's the same color. That does not work. Boom. Nope. Nope. Let's have the color. Enough, man. Left. Not green. Blue? Red. Okay, but why is it not locating anymore? Which areas? No. You're a mask. That's we'll set this higher again. Well, but that's for the baking, right? That's for the baking. I mean, the agent. This is the agent here. Agent is tiny. Let's stash the settings. I mean, rebaked it. Let's stash this. Reload. See if we can navigate. Oh, it's way too late. Yeah. Oh, here's the agent, okay. And now what did we change? We changed the nav mesh surface. Did we change the height? Probably. Oh, but we changed just the slope. But I mean, what? That should like still be walkable, right? I mean, everything that's down here, that should be walkable. Height. Can we bake while running? No. Still working. Uh-huh. Yes, this. What did we do? 11. Oh, let's see if that's working. It is. The heck. Ah, what's the problem? Who's that? Yeah, so if you ever should have these problems, play around with the setting agent. Okay, so our mesh not working. Okay, why not? Ah, let's see. Okay. Disable this. Re-enable this. Boom. And here we have X. Ah, save this. Save this. Okay. Let's test. Boom. Corners. Nice. Okay. Okay. We have agent and have mesh that we can toggle. Sounds good. Let me do a test. Dash. Toggle for match. Toggle. Toggle. Let me quickly build this on iOS. Test. The phone is charged. I'm gonna do this on the Mac. Obviously. Let's see, 20. By just done before 2030. 2230. Kinda coming late. Oh, come on. Why do I need to sign into you up again? Good, yeah, I will sign up before. Sign in before. Quit. Alright, here we go. Oh, project is opening. Weird. Every time I open it on Mac or on Windows, like doing this thing that I posted in Discord. This thing here. Oh no, here. It looks like this. Okay. So I'll just open next time. Let me just reset it. I reset the mesh, the preview model. But I kept just like a checksum that is changing from the. Yeah, so if I reset all the weird, man. Just keep the sec. If I change, yeah, so the checksum changed. I think it already did here. Yeah. Now it's changing back again. 715. Just Mac and Windows doing a different checksum, or every computer has a different checksum. The checksum from the error target. Really weird. Anyways, so build on drone and RNF community append. Boom. Phone is on. Relaunching project. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's out of the building. Okay. And then how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna do a screen recording on my phone. I'm gonna airdrop it to the MacBook, and then I'm gonna show it in the Discord, and then I can show it on stream. Yes, or I could try send it to right away. How? Load it on the Google Drive. Yeah, I can do that. But first, it's still building. Here. Yeah, I'm just gonna upload it here. Okay. Okay, build succeeded. Going. Almost coming. Right, it's attaching debugger and everything. I'm just gonna stop it again. Okay, quickly gonna test it. Let's see if it runs. Okay. Let's check. Oh, it should get uploaded. Yeah, so that was a little drift. Yeah, that's not very nice. Here in the middle. I mean, the nav mesh is going through here, but what is that was not even visible here. Maybe there was the occlusion mesh going over it. We could try draw this on top. You know. Yeah, so that's the next agent. So we didn't do is a toggle for the corners. And then let's call it a day. We'll leave that. Go there and edit. Default should be false. Yeah, it's going to default false. But let's say you have enabled it in the editor, you forgot to turn it off. So then it's sitting weird, dude. Corners. Hmm. Didn't work on the corners. Why? Why? Why is it not setting it? Is corners visible? Huh, what is this? There we go. Trying to solve the issue from the navigation. Arrived destination. Load arrived date. here we're gonna show. Boom. Going back. Yeah. What I want. Office. Oh, why is it going there? Oh, dang it. Not going here anymore. Boom. Yep, that's maybe because it's too small. Table. Here we go. Boom. Right. That should fix it. There we go. Boom. Okay, call it a day. Flash. Updated. Yeah, because we rebaked. It was not on the nav mesh anymore. Yeah. Here we go. Wait, it. This. Didn't do the debug information. Oh, we did do the toggle. Yeah, the settings toggle. Yeah, true, we didn't do the debug information. We have a toggle for agent toggle and toggle and mesh toggle. What's it? Ah, corners toggle. Yeah, it's kind of duplicate. Okay, target map. Yeah, that's for next week. If I ever gotta do a roadmap, I don't know. I'm just gonna continue work on the flow a bit. No one is complaining. Well, let's try to do it. Okay, I'll create a new one. Next week is the 25th. Done. AR state debug information. Stream plan. Okay. And then maybe gonna go over this a bit. Map future stream. Well, why not doing the minimap next? Easter egg. Why doesn't this copy over? Arrows, tracking user statistics, customizable route in air target vessels, interesting. Onboarding delays. Session recorder update. Measure accuracy of localization. Yeah. Oh my god, to do. Worst possible things to do. Minimap would be cool. Performance optimization. I should do some testings as well. That would be interesting too. Yeah, let's try to do this. And then we may have some performance optimizations. Oh, that's boring stuff. Have some fun first. That Easter egg would be cool. Yeah. Keep that. Yes. I think if we just go over this once in a while and adjust things is the best way to do. Yeah. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Thanks for watching and see you another time. Good night.